Hi guys, welcome back to Adonia Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a giant cupcake cake without using any fondant. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I'm on YouTube. For this cake, I've taken 4 layers of 8-inch cake and I'm placing a 6-inch cake board on top of it. The cakes have been frosted and chilled overnight, preferably overnight, but minimum 3 to 4 hours until it's firm so it's easy to carve. Keeping the 6-inch cake board as a guide with a serrated knife, carve bit by bit. Don't go in too deep. Carve little by little until you get the desired shape like so. To finish off, keep your knife straight so that you get a straight cupcake shape. We don't want any humps and bumps, and continue till you get a nice straight shape. Once done, place a parchment paper on a cake board like so and place the cake upside down onto it. I'm using basic American buttercream. The recipe of this I'll put in the description box below. Put a little on the 6-inch board so as to stick it to the cake and start applying the crumb coat. A crumb coat is nothing but a thin layer which is done to seal in the crumbs. Once applied, use a metal scraper to give it a smooth finish. Do not worry about cake crumbs showing. This is done to seal in the crumbs and as a base coat. Chill it for 2 to 3 hours in the fridge, and once the buttercream is firm, we'll apply the second coat, which is a thick layer of buttercream. Use a offset spatula like so and a metal scraper dipped in some hot water to give it a smooth finish. Once done, use the back of your offset spatula to mark the lines of a cupcake. Be sure to wipe the spatula in between so that you get a good finish. Once done, again chill it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours until the buttercream is nice and firm. Apply a little bit of buttercream onto the main presentation board and invert the cupcake like so. I'm using bubble tea straws to give a little sturdiness to the cake. I'm using 4 of them at strategic points like so. Once this is done, apply a thin coat of buttercream again. I've also inserted a wooden dowel at the center of the cake for more support, and I'm taking a 6-inch cake board which is lined with plastic to support the top layer of the cake, which is a 6-inch dome cake which I've already filled with dark chocolate ganache and chilled in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Slide it through the center dowel like so. You can use a plier to cut the extra portion of the dowel. And now I'm using pink colored whipped cream to decorate the top part of the cake. If you would like to know what kind of whipped cream I use and what is available in India, please make sure to click on the I above or the description or the link in the description box below. I'll put a link for my whipped cream videos which I've done in detail. So pipe pretty rosettes close to each other without leaving any gaps like so. Continue piping the rosettes all the way to the top until the entire cake is covered. and any gaps or spaces in between where the cake is seen, you can pipe dots with the whipped cream like so to hide it. I'm using small butterflies cut out with fondant to further decorate the cake. All the tools and molds which I've used and the recipe for the cream and the cake is in the description box below, so check it out. Finishing off with some silver dusted butterflies, and look at that. Doesn't it look pretty? If you think so too, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see such videos every week. Let me know in the comments section what more kind of videos you would like to see. I'll see you again very soon. Until next time, bye bye.